Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English with Amen. In today's lesson, we will study about two important tenses. For example, number one, simple present or present indefinite tense, and the other one is present progressive or present continuous tense. So, what is the difference between these two tenses? How can we use or when we use the sentences of these two tenses? For example, present indefinite tense when an action happens regularly. For example, here is a method. It is used for pets, habits, daily routines, and general truths. As like this tense right now, at the moment, or temporary actions. Now, what is the difference between these two tenses? So, the main three tenses are present, past, and future. Now, every tense has four kinds. For example, it is a diagram I show you. So, this part is represents past. This is past, and this is present, and this is future. This is future. So, every tense has four main kinds. For example, simple present or present indefinite. Simple or indefinite. Number two, progressive or continuous. Number three, perfect. Number four, perfect continuous. For example, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So every tense has four main kinds. As like this one, past indefinite or simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. And future, simple future or future indefinite, future continuous or progressive, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. So these four main types of every tense are very important. And now the fact is that how to use or where to use present indefinite and present progressive. Present indefinite tense, so for example, I teach every day. I wake up early in the morning. It means it is my habit. I wake up early in the morning. I teach in the school. I am a teacher. So this is my duty that every day I teach in the school. For example, someone, she goes to market. It means she every day goes to market. Number two, present progressive means when an action is happening just at the time of speaking. For example, I am teaching now. I am making a video. He is playing hockey. He is playing hockey. I am looking. He is playing hockey. He is a player. He is playing hockey just at the time of speaking or just at the time of when we talking about something. So therefore, so there is a formula when we use a sentence in different tenses. The first one is subject. Subject is very important. The doer of an action in a sentence is called subject. The other one is verb. Verb has three types, three forms: base form, second form, and third form, as well as fourth form, present participle, which is called present participle. For example, base form, here is a verb. Write. Write is a verb. I write a book. I write a book. So this is a present indefinite or simple present tense sentence. I write a book. It means it is my duty. It is my duty. Yeah, I am a writer or I am a writer. I write a book. I am a writer. So it is my habit. For example, the other one, present progressive. I am writing. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Just at the time of speaking, I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. So the formula is subject. What is subject in this sentence? I is subject. Write main word or base form of word. A book object. As like this one, am auxiliary one or helping verb. Main word writing a letter object. For example, habits or facts or general truths. We use the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. It means every day sun rises in the east. It is a habit or it is a truth. For example, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. It means it is very hot today. For example, it is very hot today. The sun is shining. As like this one, these two tenses, when to use and where to use. These sentences of these two tenses. Present indefinite when we use or when we act regularly an action. For example, or we take place in action. Or we work as a regular persons in our daily life. We use present indefinite. So the formula is how to make a sentence. For example, he or she or they. For example, they play hockey. They play hockey. It means they are players. They are players. They play every day. They play every day. For example, the other one, they are playing. They are playing. They are playing hockey. It means we are looking just at the time of speaking. They are playing hockey. They are playing hockey. So this is the main difference of using sentences of these two tenses. When to use and where to use. For example, the students come every day to school. The students come every day in their home. In their home, for example, he is coming. He is coming now. He is coming now. So the main thing is how to use verb. How to use verb in these two tenses. How to use verb. For example, in present progressive or present continuous tense, main verbs am, is, and are. With I, we can use am, I am. With the he, she, it, or singular noun, he is, she is, Bob is, it is, and or when the subject is plural. For example, they, we are, they are. We can use these auxiliary verbs with main verb. For example, and adding ing. With the main verb, how to add ing. For example, read, reading. So it is also called the fourth form of a verb or present participle form of verb. Present participle form of verb. And in present indefinite tense, the base form or first form of verb we can use. Base form or first form. For example, I write, she writes, she writes. How to add s or es with the base form of verb in the subject form of he, she, it, or singular noun. For example, here is another formula. It walks. It works. We add only s. With some words in base form, we can add s or es. For example, he walks, or it walks. Bob gets, Bob gets good marks. Bob gets good marks in every exam or in every test. It means we can add s or es with the main verb when the subject is he, she, it, or singular noun. And in present progressive or continuous tense, we use auxiliary verbs am, is, and or with the ing form of verb. So this is the main difference between these two tenses and how to use, where to use the sentences of present indefinite or present progressive tenses. Try yourself to make daily 5 or 10 sentences on these two tenses. If you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section. If you liked this video, please like, share with your friends and subscribe English with Amen. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.